Hey guys, so in this video, I would just like to walk you through on this full stack web application that I created. This personal project is a content management system. So for the development of this project, I use ASP.NET MVC. Okay, so for the database, I use SQL Server. Also, um, I use ASP.NET for, as the backend. Then I also install Entity Framework as my object relational mapper. Okay. Then uh, to map through my view models and domain models, from domain models to view models and vice versa, I installed what do you call this? AutoMapper. Okay. I also use dependency injection here, so I installed Unity. Okay, so I have dependency injection here for MVC and for Web API. Okay, then also I also installed jQuery. Uh, I specifically use it um, for AJAX request. So since I have a web API here, okay. All right, so what else? Also, this project follows service and repository patterns, as you can see here. And then I also use data annotations on the view models like this. Okay. What else? Also, for the view, I use Razor. Then to style all the views, I installed Tailwind via Node.js, as you can see here. Okay. Um, Also, this web application has a um, admin dashboard. It has an admin dashboard, but um, we will see that later on once we logged in. All right. So this is the folder structure of this project. Okay. So I have this CMS, which is the actual MVC project. Then I have this for classes library, which is for my domain models, for the repositories, for the service layers, okay, the for the view models. Okay. So in the CMS, this is my web API folder. Okay. This for the dependency injection. Okay. I also have some filters here for authentication. This is my views. Okay. This is the shared views where the layout sits and the other partial view. Okay. All right. So now let's go to the web application. Okay. So let's log out first. So yeah. Um, in the home page or the index page of this content management system, in here you will see 10 posts per page. Then for the other pages, you can see it via using this working pagination. Okay. All right. So once you click read more, okay, it will redirect you into this page, which you'll see the whole content, okay, of the specific story or post. Then you will also see this list of comments. Once the user is logged in, the user will see the add comment section here. Okay. For the view more comments, it's just the same with the read more. It will just redirect to this page. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's try to search. All right. So once you search, you will see the search results here. Okay. More. Okay. So now let's try to log in. Okay. Let's try first to log in without, putting anything in the fields. So just we can see the data annotations here for validation. Okay. Mhm. Uh, okay. All right. So now we're logged in. We now have this go to dashboard link here, logout link. Also, this section that says hi to the current user. Okay. Then let's try to click a post. Then here we can see this add comment section. Let's trying the comment section. Okay. So we have an alert that comment added successfully, and we will see the new comment get appended here. Okay. Okay. So some of the pages of the web application, we're using AJAX requests. So we won't need to, make the whole page reloaded. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Okay. Now let's go to the dashboard. Okay. So in the dashboard, once you click it, it will redirect you to the dashboard index page, uh, where you can, where you will get this table. Uh, in here, you will see all the posts, created from specific user. Okay. We also have total comments here, and we have actions to, update and delete the post. Then we have this create story. Okay. Or create new post, and we have a profile here. So in this my profile page, we're just showing the details of the current user, and the current user as well can change the password here. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard and let's update this one. Updated title, updated content. Okay, let's submit. Okay. Right, so let's go back to the home page and let's see if our update is reflecting here. Okay, I think it's on the second page. Okay, here. So the title, gets updated as well as the content. All right, let's go back to the dashboard and let's try to delete this one. Okay, delete. Okay, post has been deleted. Let's check to the home page. Let's verify. Okay, so okay, it's already gone. All right. So let's now create a new story. Okay. let's just say new story here, new content here. Okay, let's try food and recipes as the topic. Let's submit. Right. So once you successfully submit the new story, you will redirect back to the index page of the dashboard, and we can now see the new post here. Okay, let's verify the home page. So it's in, you know, the last. Okay, so it's here. It's reflecting now. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. Create stories already done. For the my profile. Okay, okay. My current password is ABCDEF. I'll just change it to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Submit. Password has been updated. Okay. Let's try to log out, then log in again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So it's working. Let's log out. Then now let's try to create a new account. Signing up. Sign up. Then we have the data annotations here that says all the fields are required. Let's try um, uh, huh, dummy. Okay. Um, gmail.com. All right. So for the mobile number, aside from saying that this is required, okay, let's try 1 2 3. Then it will ask you to put a valid Philippine mobile number. So it should start with 09, and uh, this should be this should have 11 numbers. Okay, all right. Sign up. Okay, so the error for the mobile number is gone. For the password, let's try 1 2 3. It will ask you to put at least 6 characters. 4 5 6. Sign up. All right. So once the user successfully signs up, okay, uh, the user will get redirected into this home page. Then the user will have this go to dashboard, log out, then this hi section. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this personal project. Just in case you're interested with its source code, I'll just upload it in GitHub and I'll paste the link. Thank you.